Hello friends, in today's class it is chapter number 9, half and quarters. See, in last class we learned about the some word problem of the same chapter and many topics we discussed regarding the same topic. Same chapter, find out half of the dozen, 3/4 of the hours, 2 by 5th of the day, like that, and some more word problems. Now in today's class it is about price list. See, it is about price list. Find the cost of the following from given list. Now one rate list is given here. Now from this rate list, what we have to do here? We have to find out the cost of the following. So see, before finding the cost of following, first of all we have to know, we have to understand the rate list. So what is information? What information is given in this rate list? See, these two columns are there. It is one for atom names and it is rate. It is rate per kg. It is rate per kg. So see, what are the atoms names? See, first one is carrot. 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 Its cost is rupees 80 per kg. Then second one is onion. It is onion. It is rupees 100 per kg. It is rupees 100 per kg. And third one, see, it is tomato. It is tomato. It is rupees what? It is rupees 60 per kg. And fourth one, see, it is potato, rupees 40. Potato, rupees 40. And last one, it is spinach. It is spinach, rupees 30. So this is the rate list, and this rate list is given here. And now with the help of this rate list, we have to find out the cost of the following. First of all, it is half kg onion. Number A. See, half kg onion. Cost of half kg onion. Now what is cost of half kg onion? So see, first of all, 1 kg is equal to rupees. So what is the cost of 1 kg? Onions, it is onion here. The cost of 1 kg onion is equal to rupees 100. Then see, the cost of half kg onion is equal to, the cost of half kg onion is equal to what? It is half of 100. Half of 100. Then see, it is half into 100 by 1. Half into 100 by 1. Then see, it is 1 into 100 and 2 into 1. Then 100 ones are 100 and 2 ones are 2. Now see, what we have to do here? We have to divide this 100 by 2. So we will try here now. It is 100 divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. But you can take here 2 5s are 10. Then 10 minus 10, it is 0. And then next 0 here. Now 2 0. 2 0. It is 2 0 0. So our answer is here rupees 50. Rupees 50. Then what is rupees 50? ये rupees 50 क्या है? The cost of half kg onion is rupees 50. Okay. Then what is 50? The cost of half kg onion is rupees 50. The same way, here we can find out the cost of many things. The first of all, we will try one. See, now like this, we have to try some more example. आइए कुछ और एग्जाम्पल हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं बेटा. The cost of other items. It is given number B example 4.5 kg. See, 4.5 kg spinach. 4.5 kg spinach. So see, it is 1 kg. The spinach rate for 1 kg it is rupees 30. See, it is given in this table. Spinach is equal to rupees 30 per kg, means for 1 kg it is rupees 30. Now we have to find out here about for this 4.5 kg. Then 4 kg is equal to rupees 30 into 4. See, then 30 into 4, 4 0 0 and 4 3s are 12. It is rupees 120. But it is not our final answer. It is only the cost of 4 kg, and we have to find out about 4.5. To see the cost of half kg equal to क्या हुआ? It is half of rupees this 30. Half of rupees 30. Then see, half into 30 by 1. 30 by 1. So see, it is 1 into 30 and 2 into 1, then 30 ones are 30, 2 ones are 2. Now you divide here 30 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 3 minus 2, 1, then it is 0 and 2 5s are 10. It is rupees 15. Rupees 15. Then see, it is a cost of 4 kg. It is cost of rupees half kg. Now we have to total cost. See, total cost of 4.5 kg equal to, it is rupees 120 plus rupees 15 is equal to rupees 135. क्या हुआ? 135. Next one, number C example. See, number C, it is 3.25 kg. 3.25 kg potato. 3.25 kg potato. So see, first of all, what is the rate for potato per kg rate? It is see 1 kg equal to what? 1 kg is equal to what? So see, from this chart we can know what the rate of the 1 kg potato. It is rupees 40. It is rupees 40. So see, 1 kg equal to what? Rupees 40. Then 3 kg is equal to rupees 40 into 3. Rupees 40 into 3. See, it is 40 into 3, 3 0 0 and 3 4 the 12. It is rupees 120. So what is this? It is 120. It is only the cost of 3 kg potato. But again we have to find out about this quarter kg. Then see, the cost of 1 by 4. 1 by kg, 4 kg potato is equal to the cost of 1 by 4 kg potato equal to what? It is 1 by 4 of rupees 40. So see, it is 1 by 4 into 40 by 1. 40 by 1. Now we have to continue here. आगे से कंटिन्यू करते हैं. See, it is 1 into 40 and then it is 1 into 4 into 1. It is 40 ones are 40, 4 ones are 4. Now see, again divide here. 40 by 4, 4 ones are 4, 0, 0. It is 0, 4 zeros are 0. It is equal to rupees 10. Rupees 10. Now, total total cost of what? Total cost of 3.25 kg potato is equal to, it is rupees 3 kg का कॉस्ट कितना था बच्चों? 3 kg का कॉस्ट था. 3 kg potato is equal to what? It is 120 and now it is quarter kg, it is rupees 10. So we can do here, it is 120 plus rupees 10 is equal to rupees 130. Is equal to rupees 130. Now number D. See, number D, 2 and 3/4 kg. 2 and 3/4 kg tomato. या फिर carrot. You can take any one item here. So we will take here carrot now. 3.25 kg carrot. So I will 3.25 kg. So what is the cost of 1 kg carrot? 1 kg equal to how many rupees? Then what is the cost of the see, it is carrot? It is rupees 80. It is rupees 80. So 1 kg carrot is equal to rupees 80. Rupees 80. Okay. 1 kg carrot is equal to rupees 80. Now see, then it is 2 kg equal to rupees 80 into 2 is equal to rupees 160. 160. Now cost of 3 and 4, 3 by 4 kg equal to, the cost of 3 by 4 kg equal to 3 by 4 of rupees 80. Rupees 80. 3 by 4 of rupees 80. I agree. Next, to see it is 3 by 4 into 80 by 1. So 3 into 80 and it is 4 into 1. तो see 3 into 80 कैसे बेटा यहाँ पर 80 into 3 कीजिए 0 8 3 are 24. It is 240 and then 4. 4 ones are 4. Now what? Now we have to divide here again. It is 240 by 4 से divide करते हैं. आइए 4 6 are 24 0 and see this 0 4 zeros are 0. It is rupees 60. Rupees 60. So see, this is the cost of what? Cost of 2 kg and it is the cost of 3/4 kg. Now total cost of total cost of 2 and 3/4 kg equal to the total cost of 2 and 3/4 kg is equal to it is rupees 160 plus rupees it is 60 and 160 plus 60 and when you will add this number it is equal to beta 220. 220. So it is the cost of what? It is the cost of 220 is the cost of 2 and 3/4 kg of carrot. Now 4.5 kg tomato. See, next number it is E number 4.5 kg tomato. 4.5 kg tomato. See, 1 kg equal to what? Then what is the cost of 1 kg tomato? See the chart of the tomato here now. The 1 kg tomato is equal to rupees 60. Equal to rupees 60. So see, 4.5 kg tomato, 1 kg is equal to what beta? It is rupees 60. Then see, 4 kg equal to rupees 60 into 4. Into 4. So see, 60 into 4, 400 and 4 6 are 24. It is rupees 240. Now, cost of half kg is equal to half of rupees 60. Half of rupees 60. Then see, half into 60 by 1, then 1 into 60 and 2 into 1, 60 by 2. Now divide कीजिए आप. It is 60 by 2. You divide here. 60 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 0 and 2 zeros are 0. So it is rupees 30. Rupees 30. Then see, total cost of 4.5 kg is equal to rupees. See rupees, it is 240 plus rupees 30 is equal to rupees 270. 270. Next, see last one. It is F number. It is F number 6.25 kg onion. See, 6.25 kg onion. So first of all, the 1 kg cost कितना है बेटा? What is the cost of onion per kg? So see, it is onion and it is rupees 100 per kg. It is rupees 100 per kg and then with the help of this 100 per kg we have to find out about the 6.25 kg. So it is rupees 100. Then it is 6 kg equal to 100 into 6. It is rupees 600. Now the cost of quarter kg equal to क्या होगा? It will be quarter of 600. Quarter of 600. So 1 by 4 into 600 by 1. 600 by 1. Okay. Now see, it is 1 into 600 and it is 4 into 1. 4 into 1. So see, it is 600. 6 1 are 600 and it is 4. Then see, it is divide करेंगे आप इसको. सॉरी, ये गलती हुआ बेटा. ये क्वार्टर यहाँ पर 100 चाहिए था, तो क्वार्टर ऑफ 100 होगा बेटा यहाँ पर. क्वार्टर ऑफ 100 एंड देन 100 1 are 100 एंड सी इट इज 100. नाउ क्वार्टर ऑफ 100 करेंगे तो 100 को जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे 4 से तो क्या होगा बेटा आंसर आपका? If you will answer, देखिए 4 2s are 8 and it is 4 5s are 20. So is equal to rupees 25. This is equal to rupees 25. Now see, total cost of 6 and quarter kg equal to, it is rupees 600 plus rupees 25. Then it is equal to rupees 625. 625. So this is today's class. Thank you.